Now I'm going to transport this lavender sprout into this growing medium. We have to be very careful as it is very delicate. For the seedling to produce this sprout, it took me like 2 weeks, and and you have to store it in refrigeration in cold temperature, and these sprouts are produced. Then we will transfer this individual sprout into this grow pot. Okay guys, this is my sprout of the lavender seed. I have already transferred some of these. I'm going to pick up. You have to be gentle with it, handling while curing, otherwise you might end up damaging the roots. I have transferred my sprout of lavender into these grow pots. You can see these yellow ones are the sprout of the lavender seed. I have transferred it successfully. It's gonna take like 1 month to grow into like inches tall. Okay, now it's time for watering. So gently water it. And we will keep it in warm place. Okay, I will update my progress of lavender germination process in next video. Thanks for watching till the end.